If your automatic transmission has been acting strange lately, don't assume the transmission is failing. In many cases, the real culprit is a faulty transmission control module, or TCM. This small electronic unit is responsible for controlling gear shifts and communicating with your vehicle's computer. When it starts to fail, it can cause everything from rough shifting to limp mode and warning lights. In this video, we'll cover the most common signs of a bad TCM, explain why they happen, and show you what to check before spending money on expensive repairs. So let's get started. To start, the primary function of a TCM is to monitor sensors within the transmission and facilitate communication with the ECM to ensure proper shift timing. Additionally, it receives data from various input sensors such as the throttle position sensor, temperature sensor, turbine speed sensor, and several others. By processing this information, the TCM determines the correct time for each gear shift. When the TCM begins to fail, it may trigger diagnostic trouble codes such as P0700, one of the most common TCM-related codes. A malfunctioning TCM can be caused by damaged wiring, software glitches, internal corrosion, cracked circuit boards, or even a loose mounting bracket that allows excessive vibration. The location of the TCM varies depending on the vehicle. It may be mounted directly on the transmission, located inside the engine bay, or installed inside the cabin. Common locations include behind the dashboard, beneath the air filter housing, next to the battery, on the transmission itself, or even under the steering wheel. As the TCM starts to fail, you may notice hard shifting, delayed shifting, difficulty downshifting, transmission slipping, or the most common symptom of all, limp mode. Let's go over each warning sign in more detail. Sign 1. Dashboard warning lights and trouble codes. One of the first things you'll notice is the check engine light turning on. Some of the most common diagnostic trouble codes include P0613, P0700, and P0706. P0613 usually indicates an internal processor fault within the TCM itself. P0700 is a general transmission control system malfunction that tells you the transmission computer has detected a problem. P0706 points to an issue with the transmission range sensor circuit, which helps determine the current gear position. These trouble codes provide an excellent starting point when diagnosing a possible TCM failure. Sign 2. Vehicle stuck in limp mode. Limp mode is designed to protect both you and your transmission from severe damage. When activated, the vehicle usually locks itself into second or third gear while limiting overall speed. Although a failing TCM can certainly trigger limp mode, remember that other transmission or engine-related problems can produce the same symptom. Always inspect the entire system before replacing the TCM. Sign 3. Rough or erratic gear changes. While driving, you may notice the transmission shifting too early, too late, or very harshly. Gear changes may feel rough, inconsistent, or completely unpredictable. This usually happens because the TCM is no longer receiving accurate information from various sensors or is sending incorrect commands to the transmission. As a result, shift timing becomes irregular and overall driving performance suffers. Sign 4. Increased fuel consumption. The TCM helps maximize fuel efficiency by selecting the right gear at exactly the right time. When it starts malfunctioning, improper shift timing forces the engine to work harder than necessary. This extra workload increases fuel consumption, meaning you'll find yourself stopping at the gas station more often. Sign 5. Heat-related internal damage. Inside every TCM is a circuit board containing tiny solder joints. As temperatures repeatedly rise and fall, these solder joints constantly expand and contract. Over time, this repeated thermal stress can create microscopic cracks in the circuit board. Once those electrical connections become damaged, the TCM can no longer communicate properly with the transmission, resulting in several drivability issues. Sign 6. Unexpected shift into neutral. Another dangerous symptom is when the vehicle suddenly shifts into neutral while you're driving. A failing TCM may send incorrect signals to the transmission, causing it to disengage the selected gear unexpectedly. Since this can lead to a loss of acceleration and create a serious safety hazard, the vehicle should be inspected immediately if this happens. Sign 7. Poor TCM mounting location. In some vehicles, the TCM is mounted directly on the transmission, where it is exposed to heat, vibration, dirt, and water splashes. These harsh conditions can significantly shorten the lifespan of the module. Even TCMs mounted in the engine bay may be vulnerable to moisture and extreme temperatures depending on their location. Modules installed inside the cabin, such as behind the dashboard or inside the center console, are generally much better protected and tend to last longer because they're shielded from harsh environmental conditions. TCM replacement cost and programming. So, how much does it cost to replace a faulty TCM? The answer depends on your vehicle's year, make, and model, local labor rates, and whether you choose a dealership or an independent repair shop. On average, a new TCM typically costs between $200 and $500, while labor charges usually range from $100 to $300. That brings the total replacement cost to approximately $300 to $800. Before replacing the module, make sure the new TCM is properly programmed and matched to your vehicle. Without the correct programming, the replacement module won't communicate properly with the rest of the vehicle. It's also important to verify that the part number or serial number matches your original TCM to avoid compatibility issues. Those are the most common signs that your transmission control module may be failing. Catching these symptoms early can help prevent costly transmission damage and keep your vehicle running smoothly. If this video helped you better understand the problem, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.